Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this 360 lace frontal wig by Geniuswigs. The hair comes in this kit packaging. The packaging comes with a wig cap, with a hair clip, with an elastic band, and it also comes with baby hair comb, and it comes with baby hair scarf. And this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. Look at the curl pattern. The wave pattern is just amazing. Look at that. It looks so natural, and I like the fact that everything has been done for you straight from the box. You don't have to do anything at all. The wig is very beginner friendly. The knot has been bleached straight from the box. The hairline has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and the hair can also be installed without any glue or gel. And also it comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, so it's definitely a glueless lace wig. So I showed you guys how I installed the hair. As you guys can tell, you can pack the hair anywhere you like. It's a 360 lace frontal wig. The part goes all the way to the back. So to install the hair, I applied my wax stick on the hair and then used the hot comb to comb the hair all the way to the back, then cut the excess lace. I thought I was filming, but the camera was not focusing at all. Sorry about that. So I applied my glue on the hair tab just to make sure that the hair is secure in that area. To show you guys earlier, you don't need any glue or gel, but because my hair tab is always lifting, so I decided to apply glue on that area just to secure the hair on that part. But every other place on the lace, I didn't apply any glue or gel. So look at that, guys. Look at that. Show me the lace. Like, show me the lace. I really love the lace of this wig. It's so easy to work with, and it's melted into my skin effortlessly. I showed you guys some of the styles that you can achieve using this hair or wearing this hair, just like your own natural hair. Look at that, guys. Looks so natural. I know it's quite difficult to do the back alone by myself off camera, but yeah, I tried my best. If you like baby hair, please feel free to go ahead and do baby hair, apply baby hair on your hair, but I didn't do any of that. But if you're a fan of baby hair, please feel free to go for it. I also braided the hair just for you guys to see how well the quality of this hair is. There was no tangling, no shedding whatsoever. As you guys can tell, the hair just went smoothly from A to Z while braiding the hair. So I really love the quality of the hair. Amazing. I'll definitely recommend you guys check out Geniuswigs. They have good quality, especially the one that I'm wearing right now. I love it. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. The hair was so soft and very silky throughout the styling of the hair. I love the fact that there was no shedding at all. I love the fact that the hair also comes with everything straight from the box. You don't have to do anything. So I decided to throw in some curls into this hair, just to push the quality a bit, and I am quite impressed with the fact that the hair took curls really well. So if you're looking to get your body wave 360 lace frontal wig or any other type of wig, please feel free to check out their website, because they sell all types of hair on their website. And yeah, you'll be rest assured that you're going to get your money's worth and more. So yeah, I definitely recommend that you guys check them out. So yeah, that's it for me for now. And yeah, feel free to check out their website. Let me know what you guys think. I love it so far. Stay tuned for my reviews, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this 360 lace frontal wig by Genius Hair. Look at that, guys. Look at that. The curls are popping. I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. The first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the waves of the hair are popping, like popping straight from the box. I love the wave pattern of the hair straight from the box, and the hair felt really soft to touch. I like the fact that everything has been done for you straight from the box, and you don't have to worry about lace or bleaching your knots. The knots of this lace has been bleached for you guys, so you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is cut the lace and use the elastic band or elastic strap that is in the construction of the cap to install your hair. Bear in mind that the hair has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. That would make it even easier for you to install your hair. I really love that about the hair. The construction of the cap is glueless, as I showed you guys earlier. The most amazing thing about this hair is the fact that the lace is amazing. Look at that. I love the lace of this hair. The lace of this hair is just so soft and so easy to work with. As you guys can tell in the video, I just cut the lace and laid on my glue and it disappeared completely. So in regards to the lace of this hair, I'm definitely a huge fan. I really love the lace of the hair. You don't have to apply any concealer or foundation on your patch. You can pat the hair anywhere, anyhow you like, just like your own natural hair. I really like the lace of this wig. It's very clear and gives that, you know, scalp vibe that I'm really loving right now. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that compared to, you know, normal frontal wig, the 360 lace frontal wig can be packed anywhere round, you know, the head or the construction of the cap, which is really good compared to, you know, like 13x4 or 13x6 that there, you know, part stops here. But with this one, it goes all the way to the back, which is really amazing for me. So in my opinion, you can actually style this just exactly like you would style your own natural hair, which is, you know, a bonus for me. Another thing that I really love about this hair is the quality, guys. Look at that. The hair is really silky and very soft. Look at how it just went voluminous on me just by rubbing my hands through it. Like seriously, I really love it. There has been no shedding or tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding at all. Look at the curl pattern, guys. I love how the curl turn out just by, you know, rubbing my fingers through the hair. The quality of the hair is really good because I didn't experience any shedding or tangling throughout the styling of this hair. I didn't experience any nasty smell whatsoever. I'm obsessed, especially based on the fact that the lace melted into my skin effortlessly. Look at that. Like, show me the lace. And I also love the fact that the hair is true to length. I'm just going to quickly show you. So that's where the hair got to on me. And in my opinion, the hair is also true to length. I really love how bouncy this hair is. So soft and very voluminous. I love it. Look at that. And if you guys don't know Genius Hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. As you can tell, they have 360 lace frontal wig, they have closure wig, they have airband wig, they have all types of hair on their website, and they also have colored hair as well. One thing I like about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took 4 days to get here in the UK, which is really amazing considering the fact that there is holiday going on, and you know, I still got the hair in 4 days, which is amazing. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.